Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
What's up, friends? This is still my friends Way to TV, and I'm still your man that comes of the sport, and we are here to have another discussion with the gentleman. As per normal, I still have my good friend AJ15 together with Coach KP and the big player himself, Drendik. We're going to be talking possible PSL award nominations, as we do know that we are still reaching the crack of things with regards to the Nedbank Cup together with the Betway Premiership. And in this case, we want to talk about, the different possible awards, accolades that the different players, they can scoop. Gentlemen, once again, we are here having this discussion, talking all things awards, nomination, accolades that different players can accumulate or scoop for themselves come the end of the season. As we do know that it's the Nedbank Cup together with the Betway Premiership parallel to that. Now, the big question that we are asking ourselves is, with regards to the Nedbank Cup, who is going to be player of the tournament? Umile umbuzo Mhlekazi.
Straightforward, Daro. Straightforward, Darren King.
That's a chill of it. But
Darren
you have to take, yes, he has to be. With that,
Yeah.
he goalkeeper of the tournament at the last man standing.
Mm.
Yeah, it's like that. Ngaphikiswana ngayenza debate asikho politic up sepoleni apha molibe straight nje singarobha omnye umntana simnikeni and liqhego noba ixhego madoda shame but asimnikeni it's fine, it's okay.
Yeah, no, Sweeter, I agree with him. Straightforward.
Darren
Both
Kidd.
those awards needs to be engraved now.
Yeah.
Darren Kidd.
Mm.
If you look at the journey of
Yeah.
Devon City to the final, then you understand why I'm saying that. For a
Big-
team that has only scored an own goal or 1-1 against Golden Arrows and own goal and winning on penalties 3 games, you need to have a very strong keeper. So I think Darren Kidd straightforward.
Big player of the tournament, Nedbank Cup.
Nedbank Cup. I'll support them, got Darren Kidd. But I thought you said Betway. So
We are coming there.
like, yeah,
We are coming there.
like, yeah. Why? I'll just support them now. For now.
For now,
For now, we're good. Darren Kidd.
Darren Kidd.
Mara, yako pele kwa.
Flip side to that, we still know that with regards to the Nedbank Cup, they also want to award the young player of the tournament. So from the young players that you've seen in the tournament, who would you say stand a chance of winning the young player of the tournament?
Ish, this boys.
Coach.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to remember the boy's name. Is it
No, there's one from
The top
Milford,
goal
man.
is it the one
There's
who
one.
scored 3?
No, there's one from Milford. Odlala center lapho umnandi lamfana man.
Mnandi, or is it because odlala lapha odlala khona?
Man. Abona usoyisa kupolitiki.
No, yabuza.
No, lapho lamfana umnandi wazipho hayi umnandi man.
No, we'll get the name and then send it to the
Yeah.
Nedbank. Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
we'll do
Yeah.
because that boy, he played very well. I was watching against Skokoni.
Mm.
I was watching him against Kokoni,
Cool, yeah.
against the big boys.
Mm.
I was that boy. I was like, wow, this boy can go somewhere.
Yeah. So are you saying there's an offer that must be sent there?
Already, send him somewhere. Don't worry.
Oh, Yes, we will get the name and send it to you.
Yeah, for you,
Yeah.
coach.
Yeah, I think there was a young, but I don't know if it's Milford or what. I think he's even the top goal scorer currently with 3 goals.
Mm.
Yeah, because like for me, man, goals wins you games. Eh?
Mm.
Yeah. You need goals to win. So I think that young boy, I hope will have something special. But I think I also miss the age. Sometimes you watch football, but you don't really check the
Yeah.
age. Yeah.
Those
So
are the 40 years.
we might be talking about
80 years.
Yes, wow.
Now, gentlemen, let's flip it side to all things Betway Premiership. I think the big one that I know the big one is coming. I just want us to song. Let's start with goalkeeper of the season. Who stands a chance of winning goalkeeper of the season, according to your opinion? Artalega wena big player. or a Ronza. HA?
Eish. You know, with me, I have a problem with this thing. Ukuthi kujonga ama-stats, kujonga ama-clean sheets, kujonga ama-ntoni. But when you look, the style of football sometimes edlalayo, ufika ukuthi it's one shot on target or one shot attempt. Game yonke. Then ufumana i-clean sheet. Yabona. But then after lapho sithi, okay, runs ufumana i-clean sheet, it's fine. Simnikeze. It's okay. But let's look, abanye goalkeeper sithi, okay, let's look ukuthi, like yabona example, lo mfana lona welentuzi, wesikhukhuni.
Yeah.
He's been doing well.
Glenn.
Yeah, he's been doing well. That boy has been doing well. That doesn't matter what they say. And I wish ukuthi even Pogba, goalkeeper with Chiefs, didn't get injured.
Yeah.
Mm.
He was gonna take it.
Mm.
Because he's been saving the Chiefs for a long. Chiefs has been scoring 1-1. I want to bet you ukuthi if the Chiefs score 1,
Yeah.
you must know it's the draw. Really, it's done. You know?
Yeah.
But he's been saving them for a long time until he got injured.
Mm.
But he's been doing well.
And got injured before a very crucial game.
Crucial time. And then,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So we can't take away that thing. It's been good. It's been doing well since the season. And then now to say, hey, now it's ish, but injured.
Mm.
Yeah. What
Coach?
do you know, coach, you got?
Ronza.
Yeah, AJ's bring a different element, man. But
Yeah.
unfortunately, I don't know if it's South Africa, but it's football stats. But what he's saying is true because let's say currently the chain 16 clean sheets. I don't see any other goalkeeper getting to 16 clean sheets. But how many saves does he make?
Yeah.
It's very crucial, you see. And now that it's changed, people might say, but why are you questioning it now? But what he's saying is right. Maybe we need to start also looking at how many saves do you actually make the whole
Mm.
season, you see. But for now, it's straightforward. Yes, he's saying Ronza, but clean sheets level, Sipo Chain, he has broken a record. So that one is straightforward. It's not something we can decide. Stats decide that.
Mm.
So, yeah.
Now, let's move to the next department. Defender of the season. I'm going to start with you now, coach.
Like I said, if we are having it here.
Yeah.
My guy, if you leave Lebone Siema,
Mm.
then I don't know. For me, between him and Grant,
Yeah.
not because he's here.
But he's looking at you.
No. No, you know why?
Yeah.
Grant played well.
Yeah.
And he's shown whoever that he's been paired with at Sundowns that he's experienced.
Mm.
But there's a time, I think in the beginning, he was in and out. Lebone is a boy who was not even a regular TS Galaxy. Coming to a mighty Bagania. He has played with the young one, the left footer, the one who left. Mbogas.
Bogas.
He has played with CBs. As much as Sipo Chaina has 16 clean sheets, there's something that has been done before him. So hence why I'm saying, for me, Lebone is
CM.
defender of the season. Yeah.
Mm.
Looking at one, his age. Pirates is busy competing currently, having a young boy. So that's where I'm going. Grant, for me, second to the boy.
Mm. What say you, big player?
Obviously, ke lo thoma ka re Grant, it's like Mtlhalwa, ba tlo re papatsitse. Wa bona?
Yeah.
Because of the friendship, it's gonna be like I'm biased. But I think Grant will really mistake tse pedi. That ball ele ko Kefe, and also the other one he made 2 mistakes. That's all I know. From that, salting go squatting. From that, it's like everyone forgot he horkema one talwan.
Mm.
And the ball or the mistake they hala. Like the past few games or more. Damane also, like for me, on the ball, Odese,
Mm.
come and collected, Momoying Odese, Pacey, I think, Gomrao, but also, I get you while some money, say, Mdao.
Mm.
Like Mdao for me, yeah, Mdao. I get, but Mdao.
Mm.
What defender, Oya go pele, Mdao. Sergio Ramos. What 2010 World Cup? Kabende,
Yeah.
2010 World Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I say Mdao. He's the one.
AJ, your defender of the season?
Yeah, mna ndivumelana nabo njengoba bethetha kanje. Usela noSiyama. Those two, one of them must take it. With no doubt, with no good thing, we must vote. There's no vote here. Must say the way it is.
Sailor Muda.
Injalo, Sailor or Siyama. Done.
Now let's go to your favorite position, midfield. Who's your midfield of the season?
Hey.
Judge.
Not AJ, please.
Yeah.
Andile
Siyama. You see there, at Pirates, there was a point where Makaula was doing well. He was working at Pirates, was doing very well, because I remember he won 3 men of the match in a row, Kanji, at his age. Yabona. But after that, but I would say even Nango Tebza must take it. It's yeah. Give it to Tebza. There's no one else. I don't think there's someone else who they're competing with Tebza at this point in time. There's no one else.
Straightforward.
There's
no, like, in the whole PSL, there's no one who can compare with Tebza. He's putting in work for Sundowns. He's putting in work for Afan. Kev, like, that guy's working. Otra Cape Town, wabu wearing, abu live out.
Cape Town?
Cape Town, can you go? But Tebza is the one. Now, no rain. Tebza.
I want to challenge them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how much I love Mrembo. I think he's the best midfielder in the country.
Yeah.
But I think Marcelo has been overlooked, man. Allende has been overlooked in South Africa ever since he got here. He hardly puts his foot wrong, that guy.
No, you can say that, yeah.
He hardly puts it. You know, when Sundowns wants to rotate, they play him there. Now recently, I see him scoring goals. You see, so I think for the love I have for Tebza, for the respect I have for Tebza, I think let's give it to Allende. That's me. Just to show up. I mean, look at, he has been consistent ever since. It's just like Mrembo. You see, it's just that Master of Spacings came in late.
Yeah.
If it wasn't that, then we would be having another issue. But yeah, for me, Allende.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's go to coach of the season. I'm going to start with you, coach.
Yeah, I'll start it. You know, as much as I'm a Pirate fan, I would say Wadu has done great, especially looking at where Sundowns and Pirates are at, looking at the fact that he won 2 trophies, because the third one, people say they don't recognize it. But also, the way Cardoso has changed how Sundowns is playing. It's difficult for me. I can't give you one, unfortunately. And we all know at the end of the awards, they're gonna look at who won the Betway Premiership and then give it to the whoever who has done it. But I think this one is a
But
tough
not like
one.
us to go back to when Penny won it, but Amazulu did not win
I
the
was
league.
going there.
Yeah,
you
but
know?
then if
Yeah, I was going there.
if we are
Say,
going there,
when you talk about that, I was going there to say, my guy, no, but
I'd like to see that happen, though.
someone won the league but didn't win the coach of the season.
but if we go there, we want to go back because I mean Jose Rivero has done it 2 times ever since that Pirates winning the trophies, but not even getting it, and also chasing Mamelodi Sundowns. So I'm thinking if Sundowns wins it and Wadu takes it, it wouldn't be a problem. But if Cardoso also win it, even after Pirates has won the league, it wouldn't not be a problem.
But here we're not talking about the trophies. We're talking about one trophy, the league. We're not talking about other trophies. We're talking about the league, 30 games.
Okay, so looking at the league, I think,
So don't count about he took what. No, we're talking about one trophy here.
no, okay, fine. Looking at, there's only one coach who has won so many Coach of the Month. It's Cardoso.
Thank you.
I don't think there's any other coach who has done it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's done.
It's done.
Thank you.
I guess coach is done.
That thing is done.
It's done. Thank you.
Player of the season.
Mrembo. Tebs. Player Secha. Tebogo Mokoena.
Players.
No, AJ has something.
And here's no police, please, man.
Oh, wait.
Give a police, please. Give Give the boy the flowers. No,
While he
man.
can smell them.
Please. Before kwenzeka everything, kwenzeka ezinye izinto, before izinto zimosheka, just give the boy flowers zakhe. Sithi thank mfana. From apho suka khona
Ozwin.
to where you are now. Let's give him the boy. He's been doing well. Eskwatini has been saying naye. Eskwatini naye. Cape Town, he's been doing well naye.
Yeah.
So give the boy. Pelin.
So we're now having a big player. Tebza.
Mrembo.
Mrembo. Coach.
Mrembo.
I agree with AJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, if you look at Pirates, just before we started the relay one, currently, if you go look at his first game, Ozunapol is at Pirates. Right now, you know, when you are right now, we are with a big player in AJ. If somebody walks in here, the first person they might recognize is AJ, and then him. So the light will always be amongst that. I'm trying to say, relay Pirates is the face of Pirates. So everything that relay does is gonna be. But what Ozwin does is always going to be downplayed. Look, now they won, Pirates won 5. They both scored 2, but everyone is talking about Relay scored 2. No one is saying Ozwin scored 2. So I think player, you see, he agrees. Ozwin. Ozwin. Ozwin.
Now let's go to the big one. I'm gonna start with you, big player. Let's go to the big
Player
one.
of the season.
Player of the season. It's a big one, that one.
Mrembo.
Why Mrembo?
Granda. But Tebs is doing a lot for this country. Not for only Sundowns, for this country. That guy is doing too much. He's the only player right now that you are sure is going to the World Cup. Out of the squad that played Panama or Panana, he's the only guy you take.
Yeah.
Okay, and Ronza. And yeah.
So we'll say Lombalian.
Oh, say.
Lombalian.
Hey, but you need to choose one big player.
One player.
Yeah, player of the
Player
season.
of the season for me, straight up, the Homokoina. But I know it's not gonna happen.
Why is it so?
Because there's something being pushed somewhere for someone. They're working hard. There's a campaign on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, radio, it's everywhere. There's something being pushed. There's a campaign, a big one, for someone. And that someone is going to win it, I know. But for now.
Mrembo.
That's why even me, I'm trending now because of
someone.
Okay, continue, but it's fine.
For someone. Who's that someone? But for me, Tebza played.
AJ, your player of the season?
Hey,
We've been trending enough now.
no, me with trending. I've been trending for 20 years, my guy. So now you're telling me about trending now, and I'm happy that I'm trending in my birthday. I'm happy that they still remember me. Oh wow, I'm still relevant in football.
See, player of your season.
No, player of the season goes with football of the season. So you can't choose
football of the season.
You can't choose the player of the season and then must not take a football of the season. That one you must know. Those two goes together. So as I said, those two, you can't say now must give Utebza a player of the season and then you give someone a football of the season. No, we can't be. Those two, they go together. So let's give it to Urili. Angithi bamfuna ukuthi simnike siyiphushe le campaign. Njengoba siphushe iNedbank siphushe ne campaign siphushe iye phambili. Singabi nomona bathi ndinomona ndazi umona abantu. Kodwa siphushe ngele campaign. Right. So sibona khona si
Coach,
There's no
football of
campaign.
the football of the
You know
season.
what he said is very important, Hore. I mean, even in the recent years, it's always double.
Yeah.
So if you give Ozwin, but I think it's going to be Ozwin and Reed. I think it's going to be given to Rilem Fuke. Not necessarily because there's a campaign. I'll tell you why. Like I said to you previously, 14 goal contribution, 7 games still left. A player who was injured. Remember, he got injured and then he came back. Ever since AFCON, I don't think there's any other player who touches him. You see, if you were to say top three, Relay, Oswin, Mrembola. The only difficult thing about Mrembola is, you know, Abo Mrembola, Abo AJ, those positions, they are not highly appreciated. How many times has he assisted? How many times does he score? That's how people look at football. They look at football based on stats and results. But you can never take away the impact that Mrembola does. Hence why I said, with the love and respect I have for him, I think
So
he
when
has
you talk
won
about
everything.
stats, how many tackles does it do?
You see,
How many retains bonds does it do? How many passes, forward pass does it do? You see those things. And then people, they don't look at those things.
You see.
Because they only look up goals and then assist. It's only big done. Because they Google everything. Everything is AI.
Yeah, but I think it's gonna be given to Urile. Also, looking at the fact that he lost it to Ribeiro last season, so
Now-
it's gonna go to him.
Now, gentlemen, there's only 7 games to go, right?
Yes.
And I'm looking at top goal scorer right now. It's Junior De Jong, it's Reyners, then Relays in there. Who's most likely going to take the golden boot? Leslie Manyatela.
Reyners.
Really.
Really?
Really.
Reyners.
Mara,
Yo.
really, cause wabona Pirate kora 7. This one next game get 8, 9, 10. I know. Really.
It's
Go.
still campaign.
Yeah, it's a campaign.
Yeah.
He's good. The boy is good. He's gonna score a hat trick next also weekend. I know.
AJ?
Eish, Renas yazi isniper la muntu lwana man. Ish. Renas awulali man, mawuma ko Renas. You don't sleep man. You can't sleep makela muntu lwana.
Yeah.
Yeah. So really and if anga pusher, but you know the fear of really because you're number 10. Renas is strike. Now every team that is going to play against Pirates, you must know what's going to happen. Every team that is going to play against Pirates, you must know what's going to happen. The rest is going to be history. They're going straight to him. Now it's going to be all in Takama straight. They wanna, when you say player, I want Umvala, I'm Toby. Toby go Highlands Park.
Yeah.
Ahambe nawe kanje uthi yokuchama hamba nawe la. La, boy nathi lo akahambi lo muntu la. Kuzoba njalo.
Yeah.
And ngeke ibe easy for yena ukuthi abe nale freedom le akayifumanayo beke busy ayifumana these games. Because ngoku everyone is looking and say, okay, Pirates without a relay, it means there's no Pirates. You know? So now there's someone Pirates must step up and say, let's give support to this boy.
Yeah.
To say, if he's not in the game, let's give him the game. Because there's those parties going to come now to say, now, as Valeno what Pirates is going to do? Yes.
Well, you have heard it here from the 3 gentlemen, as you do know that it's just their opinion because of with only 7 games to go, anything can still happen. But we felt the need that we should have this conversation because of with the league slowly but surely coming to an end. You know, these are the kind of things that we need to start thinking about in terms of those different PSL award accolades that the different players could claim for themselves. But yeah. It's been a great one. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section. But for myself, Kamza the Sport, AJ, Coach KP, as well as Dendrick, the big player, signing out.